Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to create a beautiful city view sunlight animation in PowerPoint. Right-click on the slide, choose Format Background, and on the right panel, change the background color to your liking. Once done, close the panel. Next, we'll create the sunlight effect. Go to the Shapes menu and select the collate shape. Drag it onto your slide and adjust the size to fit your design. Duplicate the shape, align it to the center and middle of the slide, and give it a slight rotation. Now, here's a quick tip: hold Ctrl, click, and drag the shape to duplicate it. Repeat this process until you've arranged all the shapes in a circular pattern. Once everything is in place, select all the shapes, remove their outlines, and fill them with white. Then, use the Merge Shapes tool, select Union, and combine them into one shape. After that, adjust the shape so it covers the bottom half of the slide, and increase its size slightly. Right-click the shape and set the transparency to 80%. Now, let's bring the city to life. Insert an image onto the slide. Duplicate the image, move it to the right, and adjust its position. Keep duplicating and aligning the images until they form a nice sequence. Once everything looks good, select all the images, right-click, and group them together. It's time to add some animations. Open the animation pane, select the combined shape, and apply a spin animation. Set it to start with previous and change the duration to 20 seconds. Next, select the grouped images and apply a line animation. Change the direction to left in the effect options and drag the endpoint to the center of the slide. Set this animation to start with previous and adjust the duration to 20 seconds. For a smoother look, set both the smooth start and smooth end to 0 seconds in the effect settings. Finally, click Preview to watch your city view sunlight animation come to life. And that's it. You've created a stunning animation right in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Slide Egg for more exciting tutorials.